There are many reasons to own a 3D printer. 3D printers can create objects from scratch using a variety of materials, or they can be used to make prototypes of objects that will eventually be mass-produced. They can also be used to create objects that are impossible to create using traditional manufacturing methods. In Houston, there are a number of companies that offer 3D printing services. Here are 3 of the best. 1. MakerBot is a leading manufacturer of 3D printers. The company's printers are known for their quality and reliability. MakerBot also offers a wide range of filaments, which are the materials that are used to create objects with a 3D printer. 2. Stratasys is another leading manufacturer of 3D printers. The company's printers are also known for their quality and reliability. Stratasys also offers a wide range of filaments. Stratasys has solutions for various industries such as aerospace, automotive, dental, and medical, among others. 3. 3D Systems is a leading provider of 3D printing services. The company offers a wide range of 3D printers and filaments. 3D Systems also offers several other services, such as 3D scanning and design. 3D Systems has solutions for various industries such as aerospace and defense, carbon capture, foundries, jewelry, and truck, bus and rail, among others.